Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Varo Believe Credit Builder, a popular tool for 2025 that's designed to help you build your credit score without the stress of traditional loans or cards. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for straightforward financial reviews, so let's jump right in. First things first, what is Varo Believe? It's a program from Varo Bank that lets you report everyday payments, like rent or utilities, to major credit bureaus. This means your on-time payments can start working for you, boosting your credit history over time. It's especially useful in 2025, with rising costs making credit health more important than ever. One of the best features is how easy it is to get started. You simply link it to your Varo bank account, and it automatically tracks and reports your payments. No hard credit inquiries here, which is a huge plus for folks just beginning their credit journey. Plus, it's affordable. Most users only pay a small monthly fee, around $5 to $10, depending on your plan. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, it's a low-risk way to build credit quickly. Many users see improvements in their scores within 3 to 6 months if they're consistent. It's also integrated with Varo's other services, like their high-yield savings, making it a one-stop shop for banking. But it's not perfect. The main downside is that it's only available if you have a Varo account, and there are some eligibility requirements, like being in the US and having a steady income. Also, while it helps with credit building, it won't fix deeper financial issues on its own. You still need to budget wisely. Overall, if you're someone with little credit history or looking to recover from past mistakes, Varo Believe is worth checking out. I'd rate it 4 out of 5 stars for its simplicity and effectiveness. In 2025, it's a solid option in the credit building space. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried Varo Believe? Let's discuss.